Final video to fix the RDP wrong credentials error between two specific Windows 11 PCs. And if you've been struggling to connect, you're not alone. Are you seeing that frustrating message every time you try to log in? This usually happens because Windows stores old login details or has mismatched network settings, which blocks a connection even when your username and password are correct. Most guides online are complicated, showing long registry edits or confusing command lines that take forever to follow. On Registry, I'll show you a simple trick that works instantly. Just a few clicks in your Windows settings and Credential Manager will clear the issue and let you connect without errors. This method avoids all the messy steps and works reliably every time. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, drop a comment below, and I'll guide you through the entire process so you can fix RDP wrong credentials errors between your two Windows 11 PCs in minutes.